pull it down a little bit, then jar real, swing your arm hard against the limb, your hand.
Those are just mosquitoes you're slapping at, right?
Yeah, I know. I was like, that's awful interesting.
That is so crazy.
I don't know, I'm just not convinced yet that it's quite right.
It's not a big deal, but of course you do want to get...
Ready?
Sure get the cream in.
Oh, I'm ready. Oh my gosh.
Keep on shaking.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, now where's the spray at?
Right here. They're going to recongregate on here.
I really think those bees in the beachhead are looking for a cow bees bank.
Probably are.
They're getting back in the tree.
You should just take that lid off and just dump them in. That spraying doesn't... Are they melting down in pretty good?
Yeah.
Is there any amount beside?
Oh, there's probably a pound. Lord knows, it's hard to say. They are slowly melting down in just like I wanted them to. And now they're getting pissed. You hear them?
I hear it.
So what does that mean? Does that mean we should run? This is the closest I've been to danger on purpose.
Yeah.
Then it's sort of like that entrance way. That kind of attraction.
Yeah.